Deciding between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA at Fidelity? The choice boils down to one question: do you want the tax break now or later? Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. With a Fidelity Traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax-deductible now, depending on income/401k coverage, and you pay ordinary income tax on withdrawals in retirement. With a Fidelity Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money, no deduction now, but your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free, including all the growth. My crucial pro tip? If you're young or in a low tax bracket, choose Roth. Pay taxes on the seed, your contributions, now at a low rate, and let the entire harvest, contributions plus decades of growth, be tax-free. It's often the most advantageous long-term play for younger investors. Make a strategic tax decision that will pay off for decades. Which type of IRA do you prioritize, and why? For more guides on retirement account strategy, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.